Don't worry, it's just a fat kid.
Stupid Android phone.
That kid would have been flipping his lid. Right here's two R32s.
Yep. And already, all right. Yeah, that's the red one I was talking about, yeah.
Oh,
Princess, Midnight Dreamers. I'm missing something.
That's a Prius with a side exhaust. Yes. Real men drive Priuses.
Real men drive Priuses. I get 30 miles to the gallon.
Okay, there you go. There's a 6x6 Hamilton.
Yep. That's a real 6x6.
That's a Brabus 6x6, dude.
Yeah. Somebody already messed up.
Seriously, out of all the cars here, the Jeep gets tagged.
Yeah, the Jeep just took it. Feel like I'm at a Jeep dealership. Which Jeep are we gonna buy today?
Seriously, are we at North Suburbs or are we at Infinite Customs? What the hell?
Dealers will give them all away anyway, so.
Infinite Customs probably did all the work on all these Jeeps.
Guaranteed. The ones that look good.
Yep.
Not no weak ass Wranglers.
It's at Willie's.
Weak ass Wrangler.
Yep.
Weak ass Wrangler.
Get those stickers made up. All right, here we go.
I almost felt like we just walked through the parking lot of a soccer game.
Yes.
All the soccer moms are out here.
Motors, are you going to tell me no, it's stock?
Ooh, full carbon fiber, Eric.
Huh? Yes.
That is nasty.
That's what they're talking about. P1.
I know. Hey, that's what they were talking about, P1.
Yes.
I'm actually liking this full carbon fiber better.
It's not like body, everything body color.
Look at this, full carbon. We got a P1.
Sweet, Dad.
Look at that.
That's a Florida, California car.
Look at it. Eric left his phone at home, and he's having a hard time trying to operate an Android.
Stupid Android phone.
Remedial people. I would wrap my truck in that color. What do you?
I'd trade your truck in for it.
Well, yeah. I had to trade my truck, your car, and my wife's car in for it. And my house.
I think we went the wrong way.
There you go. Black Series. I swear I just seen that car yesterday. Oh, nice deal.
Heck yeah. Ooh, it's a GTR. Yeah, it looks okay. All right, I find my ever-growing love for Porsches, but certain Porsches, especially when you see Porsches like this. A slant nose. Oh my God, so sexy. Last time we saw this GT2 RS was at the Autobahn at the track day, and it was covered in dirt because it had slid off the track. But she looks clean now.
What's going on?
The real superstars over here.
Oh, there it is.
The real superstar.
We didn't get it. We didn't get it. What, at their house?
The real superstars here.
The real
Forget the
superstar.
Hamilton collection. This
Yeah.
is who we came to see.
Exactly. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man.
Where the hell have you been, man?
Dude, just waiting for good weather.
He's been in the
man.
box.
I
He's
know.
been in the box. He's been
CrossFitting every day.
That's all he does.
That's
CrossFit.
right. Get a
I see-
workout.
See him picking up big old
Toned
barbells.
down.
Like, dang.
Yeah, I gotta
Yeah,
lose
man,
all
I-
that winter weight.
Well, I
you know.
did. I took after you, man. I dropped 40 pounds.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Doing CrossFit.
That's awesome.
So-
I got my mama started now, once a week, getting
Hey.
in there with me.
There you go.
She's loving it. She's having fun.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Don't worry, it's just a fat kid. It's just a fat kid. Don't worry, I'm not gonna mug you. I got you. All right, man. Bunch of copycats. I was over here first. See you later, guys.